Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, the umbrella, not a bad thing to have with you today, but you are not going to need it for most of the time. Let's explain why on live Pinpoint Doppler 12. And you will notice the showers are few and far between, at least for our neck of the woods. And notice the trend here. I'm going to loop this over the past hour. Notice how the shower's moving from here off to the north and to the east. So most of these will actually miss us, but occasionally we'll get clipped by some of these showers. But there may be some spots which see no showers at all through the entire day and night. We will get the winds, that we know. In fact, we're already seeing that right now. 13 miles an hour right now in Newport, 16 Providence, 15 in Westerly. Now, these are sustained winds. When we throw in those wind gusts, we're between about 20 and 25. Wouldn't be shocked to see a few gusts between 30, even 40 today. There are some very strong winds higher up in the atmosphere. When we have that situation, if we get a shower or sometimes a little bit of warming at the surface, it's possible to drag down some of those stronger gusts. So potentially some gusts over 40, but for most of the day we should be around 30 or 35, especially deeper into the afternoon. A nice mild afternoon here in Warwick, if you don't mind the breezes. Same thing here in Narragansett. The snow, it's pretty much gone, maybe just a little bit there, but the warm temperatures and the rain from yesterday pushing most of that snow away. Now, can you find the cold front? This one's pretty easy, right? You can see it stretched across portions of Pennsylvania, upstate New York. As this pushes through, yes, it will drop our temperatures, but it will also bring some wind and the chance for a few more showers. You can see the front, the showers kind of using that front like a train track. This inches closer to us tonight and then moves through late tonight through tomorrow morning. Behind that, a big drop in temperatures and some pretty strong winds will continue. So 2 o'clock in the afternoon, a few showers possible, especially here north and west of 295 out towards Woonsocket, the northern part of Cumberland, but a lot of us remain rain-free. 5 to 6 p.m., a few showers possible for the evening commute. I don't see huge impacts from these showers. And then notice what happens. Not only do we push the showers away, we also push the clouds away. So clearing skies tonight with those gusty, drying winds from the north and northwest. This afternoon's high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 50s here along the south coast. 52 Charlestown, Narragansett, 53 Wickford, around 56. Now, in northern Rhode Island, many spots already into the upper 50s, and we should hover around that mark into the afternoon, although a few spots could touch around 60 temporarily. 58 Woonsocket, 58 Johnston, 57 in West Warwick. Keep in mind, our record in Providence is 59, just 1 degree shy of that right now. 58 for Attleboro, Seekonk around 57, and mid to upper 50s for Taunton. Tonight, gusty winds, with the winds actually shifting behind the front. So we start from the southwest and then we go back to the west and northwest around 10 to 15 miles an hour. Could see some gusts of around 30. Tomorrow is a windy day, and tomorrow is a very difficult day to show you temperatures using this format, so we're going to show you this one instead. Notice what happens. Morning commute is actually not that cold, although it's fairly breezy, 46, and then temperatures actually fall throughout the day despite the sunshine. The very cold air mass kind of winning out the battle between the warming sunshine and the cooling temperatures. So we're down to around 35 by tomorrow, and keep in mind with the wind it will feel much colder. And then by Saturday morning, temperatures back into the teens. Could see some wind chills in the single digits. Did want to point out a chance of a flurry for the game on Saturday night. This is what I meant to do, although I'm running out of time, so I'll simply tell you what's going on. Mid-20s, chance of a flurry. I want to point out for the game on Saturday night, those temperatures in the 20s will likely feel like they're in the 20s. Winds only expected around 5 to 10 miles an hour. I know I'm looking for a silver lining, but we have had games in the past there at Gillette where we have those negative wind chills. At least we will not see that.
No. Okay, thank you, Pete.
Yep.
And now we want to let you know what we're working on live at 5 tonight.